Everyone, welcome back to the BinaryBound channel. In the previous video we covered variable, constants, data types, input and output, operators. We covered all the arithmetic operators, logical operators, comparison operators. Okay, we covered all the operators in that video, in the last video. And now the last topic of the phase 2, okay, which is typecasting, and it is a most interesting and a famous topic. Okay, so before wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so I just opened the Geeks for Geeks, okay, documentation. Okay, documentation is a most important thing before learning any concept. Okay, so I recommend you please go through this documentation. Okay, I provide the link in the description. Go through it. Okay, typecasting means converting the one data type into the another data type. Okay, so let's come on this whiteboard. Okay, so like you assign the a equals to 10. Okay, so you creating the variable a and you assigning the a variables 10 numbers. Okay, so you assigning the 10 value in the a. So basically a is having a integer type. Okay, now you want to convert this data type into the float or some kind of another data types. Okay, so then typecasting help you to do that thing. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the typecasting. Okay, and there is a two types of typecasting. First is implicit typecasting and the another one is explicit. Okay, that's it. So there is a two type of typecasting, I tell you. First is a implicit and the second one is a explicit. Okay, so you can read over here. Type conversion mean converting a one type of the data to the another compatible type such that it doesn't lose its meanings. Okay, it is essential for managing the different data types in C++. Okay, so I am copying this entire code for helping you. I'm just copying it because I know how the programming is running it. Okay, so when you just practicing it, so I recommend you please don't copy the code. Okay, write your own. Okay, so I'm just making the day 4 folder. Okay, and in that main.cpd. okay, and I'm pasting this code over here and running this code. Let me first clear all the terminals from here, so it will not recommend me the last output. Okay, so now I'm running this file. So see, it giving me 65 and 75. Why? Let me run it again. So yeah, 65 and the 75. How it is giving me 65 and 75? So I is holding a value 10. Okay, so I is 10. Okay, and C is A, which means it is 97 somewhere, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so okay, what is why it is 97? Just wait, I open the ASCII values for you, ASCII values chart for you. Just wait. So see, so capital A, wait, this is not the right chart. Yeah, this one is the correct. $65. So capital A is a 65 value. Okay, so capital A is a 65 value. So 65, not 60 value. Okay, so that's why. So I am saying, hey, please convert this type into the integer. So that's why I'm getting the 65. Okay, if you're not if you can confirm like this also. So a is now having the value of a equals to 65. So you can see like this way as well as also. Okay, so I am converting the value of a into the 60. I'm converting the character a value into the integer, which is a ASCII value, as a 65. So a is a 65. Now I am saying, now you convert the character into the integer, and then I am just adding these two numbers. Okay, so a is 65 and adding 10 into it, so that's why it's giving me the 75. Okay, I hope you understood how it's working. Okay, so this is the typecasting, and this typecasting is the explicit typecasting. Okay, now I'm giving you the implicit typecasting. So int a equals to 5, b equals to 2, and cout a divides by b. Now I'm running this file. Just wait. Just wait to see the output. Okay, it's giving me the error. I'm not seeing it. Sorry for my bad. What is the problem in it? See, it's giving me a 2. But actually it need to be give me a decimal value, but it is not giving me the decimal value. Okay, and how I can convert into the decimal like float? Okay, this is the way that I can do it. Okay, very easily. So now it giving me the point something value. Why? No, it's not giving me. Yeah, but you can, if you want, if you check this type of why I'm not getting the just wait, I need to be check type, how to check the type of data into C++. So type info. Okay, so sorry, I'm providing the wrong values in it. Okay, first I need to import the library. Okay, and then I need to be use this type ID. So I need to provide type ID over here, and then name dot name. Okay, like this. Okay, I hope this will work fine. Yeah, this is working fine. Now I hope it will give me the correct answer of it. FC. So it's a float, but if I don't use the float over here, and then I'm going to check what is the type, then definitely it will give me the integer, if I'm not wrong. Just wait. See, now this is giving me the integer because it's a implicit typecasting, because both the data type, it's having an integer value. So when you divide the both the values together, so it will give you the integer. But if you want to do the typecasting of it, so you need to be give the data type over here, and then you can run this code, so you will get the F over here. I don't know why it's not giving me the one. Why it's not giving me the answer in one time? Why I need to be run this code again? Yeah. So I hope you get understood all about the typecasting, implicit typecasting, explicit typecasting. Okay, so this is all about the typecasting. I hope you understand this topic. If you like my video, so please like the button, okay, and subscribe my channel if you are new on this channel, and be ready for the next video. Okay, thank you.